Network Entertainment.
Let me ask you something honestly. Are you really bad with money or you're just stuck on the same pattern? Alam mo, minsan ang problema hindi talaga pera eh. Ang problema, yung pattern kung paano mo ginagamit ang pera.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan. Welcome back to Chink Positive. Today, heart-to-heart talk lang po tayo. Let's talk about on how you can really fix your money in 30 days. Paano ba natin naayusin? Kaya kung pagod ka na, parating kapos ang iyong kinikita, pagod ka na sa promise mo sa sarili mo na magbabago ka na, nako, tapusin mo tong episode na ito. You know what? If you realize that you're making bad financial decision, you should not hate yourself. You don't also need to feel ashamed. You just need to have a reset. So today we're going to talk about a 30-day money reset plan on paano natin maayos to once and for all. Okay, so ready ka na ba? Get a piece of paper and a pen so that I can help you and coach you and guide you. So week 1, ang gawin muna natin, we got to face the reality or face the truth. Ang pag-reset po pagdating sa pera, it starts with honesty. So for the first 7 days, ang goal mo, it's not perfection. Ang goal mo is awareness and progression. So ang gagawin, sulat natin lahat ng ating gastusin, okay? Ating kinikita, ating ginagastos, income versus expense. Sulat mo lahat. Kape, pamasahe, maliliit, online orders, snacks, bills. Again, this is not to judge yourself. Hindi para tayo magtipid. Ito lang, para malaman lang natin saan napupunta ang ating pera. Alam mo, maraming pong kasing taong nagsasabi na, ay nako, ba't ko pa isusulat? Wala namang nangyayari. Kaya nga, walang nangyayari kasi hindi mo sinusulat. Again, you cannot reset what you refuse to face. Number 1, week 1, sulat. Week 2 tayo. Based on the expenses that you saw right now, nakikita mo, it categorize natin to 2 columns lang, need and want column. Need and want. Need, pangailangan, want, pagkagustuhan. So, kung kapos ka ngayon, na-challenge ka, let's look at the want portion. Anong isang pwede mong tanggalin? Do not change everything. Just remove 1 leak. Maybe yung food delivery mo. Yung probably yung online checkout mo, yung unnecessary subscription mo, impulse buying mo. Just pick one that drains the most. Yung paulit-ulit ba? Yung hindi natin napapansin, yung pa SB lang natin. 'Di ba? Magkano yan? 200 pesos. Kung maka-4 na beses ka, 800 a month, 800 a week. 3,000 a month, 36,000 a year. Wow. Kung makat lang natin to half yan, 18,000 na. Nagigets nyo? So just try to get 1 lang. 1 a week. Kasi if you try to fix the whole thing, ay nako, magkukwit ka. Parang sinasabi, hindi ko naman deserve to, di ba? Dinideprive ko yung sarili ko. So week 1, sulat. Week 2, eliminate kahit isa. Let's go to week 3. Build 1 good habit. No? Week 3 naman, it's all about replacement eh. Do not just remove isang bad habit, but replace with a better one. Or like for example, di ba, ang ginawa mo, tinanggal mo ng 200 pesos in a week, na 5 times, di ba? Or 4 times, gawin mo na lang 2 times. So yung 400 pesos, anong gagawin mo? Yung sa 400, ilagay mo sa iyong ipon. Di ba? Lagay mo. So tinanggal mo, ilagay mo sa kabila. So makikita mo, kung nakakaipon ka ng 400 pesos a week, times 4 weeks, 1,600 a month, times 12 months, 18,000 a year. Oh, di ba? So, pag nakita mo yung 18,000 extra mo, anong magiging feeling mo? Ay, feeling mo may na-achieve ka. Ay, kaya ko pala. From 0, ipon, ngayon naging 18,000. Nakigets nyo? Because you stop and then next you replace. And then week 4, eto na. Make 1 growth move. O, ano ibig sabihin ng 1 growth move? What is 1 move that you can do or move in order for you to become more financially responsible? O probably, anong gagawin mo? Maybe you can learn 1 skill. Maybe add additional income. Offer 1 service. Message 1 possible client. Update your resume or upskill to learn 1 more skill. So, nagigets nyo? So, importante, iisipin natin paano pa tayo makakadagdag, paano pa tayo makaka-move forward. So again, uulitin natin ano yung 4 na gagawin mo in order for you to have a money reset. Number 1, harapin mo katotohanan. Number 2, ilista mo. Number 3, cut down 1 leak. Number 4, build 1 habit. And then number 5, add additional income. Pag yan ang ginawa mo, mga kapatid, believe me, this will change your financial life forever. So if you're interested to have really a financial reset, talagang gusto mo i-coach kita, i-guide kita sa financial reset talaga, just go to my Instagram account na lang, Instagram, and type reset. I-send mo ako na message na reset and I will send you information on how you can be part of my program. Thank you very much for joining. I hope that you are encouraged. You may be just one honest reset away from a different financial life. Tatandaan, stay grounded, stay consistent, and stay Think Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.